Ravi was a daily wage laborer in the bustling city of Mumbai. Every day, he woke up before sunrise, walked several kilometers to a construction site, and worked tirelessly under the scorching sun. His hands were rough, his clothes torn, and his stomach often half empty. But his heart carried an unshakable dream to give his family a better life. He was born into a poor family in a remote village. Ravi never had the privilege of education. At a young age, he had to step into his father's worn-out shoes and support his family. His mother often reminded him, "Hard work never betrays. Keep moving forward and life will change." These words became his guiding light. Despite his hardships, Ravi never complained. He believed that every brick he laid was a step toward something bigger. He watched rich men drive by in expensive cars and wondered what makes them different. Was it just fate, or was there something more? One evening, while returning home, Ravi overheard a conversation between two businessmen at a tea stall. They were discussing a government scheme offering free skill development training for laborers. It was an opportunity to learn masonry, carpentry, or even welding skills that could lead to better paying jobs. Excited, Ravi decided to enroll. But as he reached home, exhaustion took over. He thought, "I'll go tomorrow." Days turned into weeks and Ravi kept postponing. Work and daily survival consumed him. One day, he found out the training program had ended. The chance was gone. He realized his mistake. Opportunities don't wait for anyone. Determined not to repeat his mistake, Ravi started saving money and searching for other training programs. Months later, he found another institute offering evening classes in welding. This time, he didn't hesitate. He enrolled immediately, attending classes after his long work shifts. It was exhausting, but Ravi pushed through. With time, he mastered the skill. One day, his supervisor at the construction site noticed his talent and recommended him for a welding job that paid double his usual wages. It was the first big step towards change. Ravi's dedication didn't go unnoticed. He continued learning, taking on bigger projects, and improving his skills. Within a few years, he was no longer a daily wage laborer. He was a certified welder, working on major infrastructure projects. His income increased, and for the first time, his family moved into a proper house. But Ravi didn't stop there. He remembered the struggles of other laborers like him. Using his savings, he started a small training center to teach young laborers welding and masonry. He wanted to ensure no one else missed an opportunity due to ignorance or fear. Years later, Ravi stood in front of a group of young laborers and shared his story. "I was once like you, waiting for opportunities, hoping for change. But I learned that opportunities don't wait. You must chase them. You must be ready." His journey was proof that with the right mindset, persistence, and courage, even a laborer could change his destiny. Moral of the story: life doesn't give second chances easily. When opportunity knocks, answer immediately or regret it forever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video.